Hello, Charles Crawshaw here, World Peace Now movement causing the new space race movement. Hello, Conference for Global Transformation, CGT AI Tools Group. Hello, Bringing Play to Life Group and the World Peace Now movement. I promised two of the groups that I've just mentioned that I would give a summary of my $800 spend on HermetixAI artificial intelligence program. And it's a thumbs up. I'm 61 years old and I've got a little two-year-old daughter, and keeping up with the times, keeping up with what's going on in the world from an artificial intelligence point of view is a smart thing to do. And HermetixAI, wow, it was thorough. And I completed it on the weekend, except for the 4-week program, which started yesterday. And the thing that many things thought out, but I guess in summary, it's cleverly thought out in terms of it's being really thorough on the types of artificial intelligence available to us. It goes through several programs, but it introduces several programs, but it doesn't go into this does this and this does this. There's only 2 or 3 that they actually went, this does this and this does this. But the one that went, this does this and this does this was one from, it's called Stream Real Time. And the lady who's wondering how you can turn off and turn on notifications on her WhatsApp group recently this week, could have done a screenshot of the WhatsApp page and shared it with this Stream Real Time. And then suddenly a man goes, hello, how can I help you? I see that you're using WhatsApp. What do you need done? I'd like to have the WhatsApp group not have turn off my communication for some of the groups because I'm a member of a lot of groups. And the person, the artificial intelligence person, does it real time. I tested it out myself on my Sony Vegas 15 video editing software. And wow, it was fantastic. It's extraordinary. So I'm sure Sophia knows about it, so she can share about it. But more importantly, I think the most exciting thing for me is that artificial intelligence and world peace. Okay, yes. What opened up you in listening to that? Well, they talked about artificial intelligence agents, where you have a whole bunch of artificial intelligence agents researching, looking for. So I'll have an artificial intelligence agent looking for everything that's about wars, every conflict that is occurring on today, that I get a bot that summarizes them every day. Then I'll get another bot that goes everything that's peace-loving and beautiful. I'll get another bot to give me a summary of that each day. Then I have a news media bot. Anyway, you can hear I've started being creative. But then also having done the team manager leadership program, managing all the bots, to have the conversation World Peace Now loud and clear and inspiring. So yeah, so that's my energy. Let's have a look. I think that really, there's 10 modules. And the modules weren't long videos that you have to watch. No, they're short, succinct, sharp. Which is useful because that means I can go and review Model 3 because that's all about artificial intelligence. AI agents is my favorite at the moment. But there's quite a lot to take in. And I certainly learned a lot about the various types of artificial intelligence there is. So yeah, I highly recommend it. And I said to the Matt Bizak, who's the landmark graduate senior, he's very intelligent in terms of sales. And I said to him, why don't we start a Facebook group on graduates, HermetixAI graduates, where people start sharing what they've accomplished I'm doing the 4-week program. It's very, again, the 4-week program is for the first week, you just do everything. You use the 5 top LLMs to just do it, just work with it to get comfortable with it. Then the next week is to start asking it to manage your life. Start telling it, artificial intelligence, to manage your calendar, manage this, manage that. So you ask it to do things that you can manage. And off we go. So anyway, I'll update you at the end of the 4 weeks. And look, I really recommend it. And thanks so much for listening. And world peace now. Pass it on. We are it. The new space race causing the world peace now movement. It's called Mother Earth for a reason and Father Mars for a reason as a possibility. Lots of love. Bye-bye.